Hi, I'm Preeti Sharma Menon. I am the State Secretary from Aam Aadmi Party and the spokesperson. And I feel that Mumbai has been neglected by all politicians for so many years now. Of course, the main issue that plagues Mumbai is corruption. There is corruption in every government office. It has seeped to such an extent that it is not possible to get anything from a driving license to a death certificate without having to pay bribes. It is such a sad state of affairs. So corruption is one of the main issues plaguing Mumbaikars, but the second most important issue is housing. The kind of houses that we live in, we don't have a right to a home in the city where we are working so hard and contributing to the national economy. The third issue is transportation, and that is, I think, every Mumbaikar's worst nightmare. Their housing and transportation are linked because the very rich, the high net worth people have monopolized all the places in the main locations of Mumbai. The working population is forced to live in far off areas like Mira Bhayandar, Kalyan, and satellite cities, and the commute from there is a nightmare. There aren't sufficient trains. The trains are overcrowded, and the railways are completely ill equipped to handle accidents. They offer no comfort to any citizen who has been involved in an accident at all. There is no insurance for the accident victims, there is no treatment for the accident victims, and that is a very big issue that we are facing in Mumbai. The railway system needs to be made more robust. If Aam Aadmi Party comes into power, that's a main focus of area. How can railway passenger safety be assured? How can we make the system robust enough? That's something that we are going to really get a lot of experts to work on. Obviously, the road transport is equally bad, which needs to be identified and it needs to be improved. The problem is we are building metro in half the city and monorail in half the city. How will a city function with two systems that don't talk to each other? So there has to be some thought on the money that is being spent on infrastructure. So this is something that we need to work on. Besides these three issues of corruption, housing, and transportation, the other issues are common to every citizen of India: Bijli and Pani. Electricity is the highest in Mumbai. It needs to be brought down. Aam Aadmi Party has shown that how the the average low-income consumers can get their electricity bill reduced by half if there was no corruption in the government power ministry. And water. Imagine that you can go today and buy a mobile phone, but you cannot get a water connection. If you do not live in the slums after 1995, you do not have the right to water. So they are forced to take water from water mafia. And this creates an entire system of corruption which is bleeding the people dry. They do not have access to water and toilets. How worse can a city be which doesn't give its workers who build the city access to water? So these are the issues that Aam Aadmi Party wants to very strongly work on if it comes to power in Maharashtra.